It's like a no-shows. The line is like totally busy.
Hello?
Ew, like another duck? Don't you like have a pond of your own to go to?
Yeah, because didn't you say his mama was sick of worry?
Meow!
What just happened? Does anybody know? This was not on BET this morning.
Hold on one second. What? Like come back! Don't like leave me here!
Duct tape.
No!
This really wasn't on BET this morning.
Madam, I'd be honored, though I'm not of your ilk, if we could get together, maybe share a dish of milk.
Ma'am, I'd be delighted, though it's true you're a scruff. But when one's had things easy, one likes a bit of rough.
Oh, now hold yourself, Queenie. Don't you be getting no funny ideas, girlfriend. We got some arrangement, and don't you forget it.
Meow!
Together on the tiles we will tell our turn. Together we will sit on garden walks. Together we will make tin roofs seem hotter. Together you'll be throwing up fur balls. Together we will build ourselves a cat flap. Together after dark we'll violin.
Together we will snuggle for a cat nap.
Together you could string a violin. Have you forgotten, dear? The clinic has confirmed that they can fit you in. You need to be dewormed, and with your last attack, you nearly filled a sack. So maybe you should go. It's only fair to say that she is rather prone to carry parasites. Her fur is not her own, and on the hygiene front, to be both frank and blunt, it's better you don't know. Although I don't wish to gripe, I don't think she'd be your type. Together we will sing our own cat's chorus. Together we will choose our favorite key. Together we will conquer all before us. Together you can rid her of her fleas. You have to help me out, it's looking pretty grim. What will become of me if they should become friends? She's got a googly eye.